Hi, so you want to create a video with a professional sounding voiceover, but you don't have a good microphone? I have a tip for you. All you need is a blanket and a headset. This might look a little silly at first, but trust me, I've done this many times, also for very professional video productions. Even if I was using different microphones, if I wasn't in the right environment, I would get a blanket or a towel, anything that you can pull over your head. I'm serious, guys. Pull this over your head and then use the microphone from your headset to record your voiceover. All you're doing is you're making sure the audio does not bounce back. And this works incredibly well. Okay, so now let's put this to the test. This is what it sounds like without the blanket. And this is what it sounds like with the blanket. So now you know, next time you see someone hiding under a blanket, they might just be a video geek recording a voiceover.